Hi! This is Naima again. I want to thank you for purchasing the earbuds. I love reading, but I prefer video. It's much simpler, so I thought I would make an instruction video for you. The case, you power it this way, and you can use it as a battery pack. On the other side, there is a case opening detector, so it puts automatically the earbuds in pairing mode. Please make sure the earbuds are connected properly so they charge. The bottom LED light displays the individual charge of each earbud. There is also some top rings on top, and they are red when it's charging and they turn off when the charge is done. The charge takes an hour. On the top, you will see the percentage of the case battery. The case takes 2.5 hours to charge. How to fit them? It's really simple. Take them out, and you want the bird to look this way. You insert and you wiggle until you have a good seal. Don't worry, it doesn't hurt. They are comfortable. You can try different tips to see which one is best for you. There's also some rubber rings that you can put around it, like so, for connecting. You take them out of the case. You go on your phone or computer. Open your Bluetooth preferences page, look for Lakoche bird, and connect. You're done. Now every time you put them in, it will stop the connection, and if you take them out, it will connect automatically, all by itself. And even if you take just one, it will work. Now, enough talking. I'm gonna show you how to control them. Hello? For the Bluetooth transmitter, it is powered by USB, so you can use any USB plug. You can choose to use this to power it. And there are two modes. Transmitter, the light is red, and receiver, the light is blue. To switch between modes, you just need to unplug and replug it. You might have to do it twice. First example, you take a flight, and let's pretend this is the screen in the flight. So you put it in red, so it's transmitting. And as you can see, it's blinking because it's looking for a device to connect to. You take the audio cable and plug it where you would plug the wired headphones. And then you have to turn off the Bluetooth on your phone, and you take the earbuds. And the earbuds will connect automatically, and then the light will turn red. Example 2, you want to turn this into a Bluetooth speaker. So you plug it in, the light has to be blue, it's blinking. You take the sound cord, you plug it in. Whoa! You search for pairing name ZF 169. Connect. All right, let's see if it works. It does. You can do that with any sound system and also in your car. That's it. Thank you so much. Don't hesitate to reach us if you have any question or any issues. We are there to provide the best customer service, and thank you again.